Hey everyone, I'm Manero here, and in this video I'm going to be drawing Moon Knight on my digital sketchbook in Procreate, so let's jump right into it. In order to achieve this, I'm going to be using the Sketchbook Experience for Procreate. You can find it along with a free mini version for you to try out on my Gumroad page through the link in the description below. This sketchbook series is just a time-lapse type of videos with no voiceover that I'm going to be posting from time to time. I will also show at the beginning the previous pages I've already filled before starting the new one. I hope you find it interesting. Enjoy! I really hope you liked this video. If you use my brushes and post your art on social media, feel free to use the hashtag Manero brushes so that I can see what you create. I will be extremely happy to share your creations with my audience. Don't forget to subscribe for more art-related videos and give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure to check out my Gumroad page, where you will find the Sketchbook Experience for Procreate and many other sets that I have available. I'm sure something will suit your artistic needs. All the links are in the description below. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.